Okay, good afternoon. My name is Michelle Sherritt, and I am doing the website review for Stratus Talk for Keith. The first thing that we do when we come to a website and do a website review is we have 5 users test the website. So we do a little bit of user research and testing. And what those 5 users are looking for are typical things that you see on websites. So company logo in the upper left-hand corner, menu navigation to the right, things like that. So we had 5 users test this website. And so the feedback that they've given, I'm going to go through in this video, as well as one of our usability experts from Situated Research, our parent firm, took a look at the website as well and took some notes. So I'm not going to go through everything. Usually what we look at is the home page and one internal page. So the first thing that we see is that this website is not secure. You can see that right here. And to make it secure, you would need an SSL certificate, a secure socket layer certificate through your hosting provider. Most users in 2019 know that if this says not secure up here, they may not even look at the website. They may think that your website could give them a virus. If they do look at the website, they may not fill out any forms or give you any contact information. So you're not going to get any lead generation through your website. So you want to go ahead and fix that with your hosting provider. The next thing that we look at is your company logo. So your branding, your marketing. We want to be able to come to the homepage and understand exactly what your business is about. And if we just look at your logo, Stratus Talk, it's something with communication. We can tell that by the word talk. And then also this kind of looks like commas or quote marks. So some kind of communication. And when we go to the right and we look at your menu navigation, one thing that I would say is to get rid of the icons for your menu navigation. That's not needed. And also get rid of the home button. Users in 2019 know that if they're anywhere on the website and they need to get back to the home page, they can simply click on the company logo and it'll take them back to the home page. So the next thing we look at is we look at the images that you have, and these look really nice. Okay, so the image stays the same, the message changes. You may want to change the image out, make this more of a slideshow than of a static image. Might be more appealing to users as well. When we scroll down, we do have a call to action, free 30-day trial. And then we come to features. So it's telling you the different features. We have a quote here. We have about us. Cloud plans. Okay, so this website's a one-page design, which is great to have. Our company QCamp has a one-page design. Some things, though, that you may want to do. You see how I'm scrolling and scrolling and scrolling? This is a lot of information for users to go through. And that sometimes is the problem with one-page designs. It's just that the user is scrolling and scrolling. So what we like to do is to go through the content on the website to see what we can get rid of. So obviously you don't want to get rid of features. You want to have some kind of quote here from a past client, which is good. A little bit about you. It goes through your plans, so you have that here. I would get rid of this quote here. You don't need another quote. You have pictures of some of the phones. It would be nice if you could incorporate these pictures with the plans that you have above. We have another quote. Again, we don't need that. So a way, if you have a lot of quotes, you could have this first one up here. Scroll through the quotes. So like a slideshow where there's arrows here and here, and the user can go through, and if they want to read the quotes, they can. It's going to save you a lot of space because users are not going to scroll through this. current data center locations, your Google map doesn't work. So that needs to be linked up correctly. Contact us. So again, this website's not secure, so you're probably not getting a lot of lead generation through this form. So you want to fix that. Okay. And then that's it. Okay. You also want to update your copyright as well to 2019. So I think aesthetically, obviously this was, you could see this was photoshopped in and not very well. So that's something where you want to pick really good images for the main slideshow here with this verbiage. So, and I'm just holding my mouse there, and I'm not even seeing that this is scrolling through on its own. You have to click. So a user is not going to click these little dots. So you want to make sure that this is an ongoing slideshow that scrolls through. I could show you ours real quick so that you can see what I'm talking about. So up here at the top, you see how our website's secure. So you need an SSL certificate. And you can see the scrolling slideshow. And that's what you want to have as well on yours. And then if we go down, it talks a little bit about who we are. Visuals are great and short and to the point. We have a quote here. Meet our team. If you want a career, work with us. About our services. Got a webinar section, free marketing analysis. Our social media, very important. I didn't see social media on your website, so that's something that you're going to want to add in as well. The more communication, the more ways that people can communicate and gain trust with you through the website, the better. So definitely want to put those social media pages down there. And then some projects that we've done, clients, things like that. We have a blog, and then of course our form. So that's our website. So definitely making sure that you add your social media buttons down here is important as well. I'm going to do something else real quick. What is that? Validator.w3.org. Yes. So this website will check all the programming errors within your website. So since this is a one-page design, you just put in the homepage URL here, and it's going to go through, and this website has 35 programming errors on it. So some may be little errors, some may be warnings, some may be catastrophic errors. You don't really have any catastrophic errors, but you do have programming errors. For one, you should want your website to be error-free and be perfect. Second, if you have any programming errors, your website could be looking or functioning different on different web browsers, different platforms, different devices. So you want to make sure that you get rid of those errors. Another thing too, let me see real quick. HubSpot is a company that will grade your website, and it looks at your load speeds for your pages. It looks at if your website's secure. So they're giving you an 84 out of 100. Performance-wise, they're giving you a 24 out of 30. So there's some optimization that you could do to make your website load quicker. It is mobile friendly, although this doesn't look mobile friendly. Let me look on my phone real fast. I know that I had it up here. Okay. So I'm looking real quick. Okay, so it is mobile friendly for the most part. As you can see here, your logo overlaps, so that's just some programming that needs to be done. So it's not readable here, but otherwise it is mobile friendly. So good job with that. SEO, search engine optimization, 30 out of 30. Awesome. And the SSL certificate. Show the front door. I love the way HubSpot does this. You want to make sure that your website is secure, and you can read more here on SSL certificates. But basically, you just purchase it through your hosting provider, and it'll make your website secure. So other than that, I don't really see anything else. I'm going to go ahead and end the video. If you do have any questions, please do contact us. We are QCamp. And you can visit qcamp.com. You can also email us at info@qcamp.com. And you'll be receiving a copy of this video review as well as a link to review it for the next 4 business days. So if you do have any questions, just let us know. All right, it was my pleasure doing your website review. Have a great one.